Ahead of key inflation numbers in the US and a rate decision from the European Central Bank, crypto markets are bracing for impact. For US traders, all eyes are on upcoming consumer and producer price index releases that could shift expectations around future interest rate cuts. Bitcoin recently hit a one-week high above $112,000, with hopes of imminent Federal Reserve easing. Markets have priced in a likely 25 basis point Fed rate cut. Upside inflation surprises may postpone a cut, pressuring crypto prices. Meanwhile, ECB board members signaled that rates remain unchanged for now, with inflation near target and stability being monitored closely. The ECB's cautious approach matters more than ever since Europe's monetary policy influences crypto through global investor sentiment. As the US releases inflation data, expect risk-on and risk-off behavior to escalate across Bitcoin and altcoins. Let's break the week into two blocks: midweek inflation pressure and the ECB policy aftermath. If consumer or producer prices rise higher than expected, that could cool hopes for interest rate relief. Expect pain across crypto. Traders will also watch US employment revisions, as these can reinforce or erode the case for cuts. If the ECB signals rate cuts, global liquidity could expand, benefiting crypto. A conservative ECB alongside a quicker Fed could create turbulence. If the ECB remains restrictive while the Fed eases, investors may favor Bitcoin as a macro hedge. We are also watching flows into crypto ETFs, as institutional entries may preempt policy shifts in Bitcoin or Ethereum. A single phrase in central bank language can spark volatility, so liquidity patterns are extremely sensitive. Watch closely this week: US inflation prints, revised jobs data, the ECB rate announcement, and Bitcoin's reaction around $110,000 to $112,000. On the altcoin side, sentiment may turn faster. Ether, Solana, and others amplify macro directions. This week is not just about technical charts. Investors must be nimble, as pricing swings with data and central bank sentiment. In summary, US inflation data could confirm or delay Federal Reserve easing. The ECB's tone will influence global risk appetite. For weekly macro breakdowns that help you stay ahead, keep watching Blockchain Reaction. Like, subscribe, and stay informed.